Hello everyone, I want to welcome you to my channel, and today I have for you a console table or entryway decorating ideas. I hope you will enjoy it, and with nothing else to say, let's begin. So to give the effect of the winter wonderland this year, that's the theme that I'm going for. I'll be using this table runner that I ordered online on Amazon, and I'll link it below if you guys are interested. It compares to the Sea Gallery one, and it was like 20 bucks, so it was very affordable. Then I go ahead and place my Christmas tree. This one came from Hobby Lobby. And then I go ahead and place these picks. These are from Michaels, so I got several ones. I'll be using around 6 of them. So the first thing that I do is I place them in the middle, and you kind of like are going to push them inside, one inside the other one, making like a little centerpiece. And then I keep inserting the other ones on the left side, and then I repeat the process on each side. That way it reaches the whole table. And incorporating greenery is always a good idea, you guys, especially these are pines. It speaks holiday to me. Then I go ahead and add these flowers. These are poinsettias, and these ones are so pretty. They have like ice on with the beads. It's very pretty, very detailed. So what we do, you guys, is basically insert them into these branches. It was so easy. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 in the middle, and then 2 more on every side. Next, I go ahead and take these reindeer. This one came from Walmart last year, and I DIY'd a little cape that you guys see there. And then I go ahead and place one of my designer books that we also DIY together, and this beautiful angel that I believe I picked it up in Walmart. It was like 5 years ago, so you guys, and it's still beautiful. I still love it. It changes color. It's so gorgeous. And then I'll be placing 3 of these candle holders on each side. I actually ended up keeping 2, and you guys will see that later. Then I use my taper candles from the Dollar Tree. And finally, I added these beautiful vases that I got from Ross last year. And I just placed my stockings there. So the first one that you guys see here is very furry, and this one came from Hobby Lobby. Actually, the other one also came from Hobby Lobby. And so I added these totally dazzled brooches to kind of like add a little bit more glam to them. So I added 2 on each side. And then finally, these crystals that you guys see here are also from Hobby Lobby, and they were like $4.99, but then with the discount it comes to $2.99. So 4 for $2.99, pretty good price. They are beautiful. So I'm going to add 1 on each side, so total 4. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would love to have you part of my YouTube family, you guys. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Ciao!